down on your luck, you're tired and stuck, enough is enough. You gotta pick yourself up, cause life gets hard. It might leave scars, could tear you apart if you let it be smart, yeah. You wanna be just like the stars, take me to Mars, high up and far, guess that's a start, All I know is that I love making art, straight to my heart, keep up my guard, and always work hard, yeah. It's hard to have faith when you had a taste of this awful place, and if that's the case, you're sitting there sick and tired of the rat race. The fast pace has you thinking it's a bad place. You just wanna blast off into outer space. I get it, trust me, I've been there, just wait. It gets better if you take control of your fate. So stop waiting and get going your own way. Broken dreams and these hopeless teens, how it's supposed to be, yeah. All these broken dreams and these hopeless teens, how it's supposed to be. I'm sick and tired of these broken dreams, these broken teens, sitting down on broken screens. It sucks, cause I really know what hopeless means, but focus seems to stem from the darkest themes. From park your dream, get a jump start and dream of everything you thought you ever wanted to be. The marketing, together you could be something, be smart and see that you just have to feel the need. Sometimes you will feel like you don't know, sometimes you will feel like it's gonna stop, sometimes you will start to think that, sometimes you will throw it back in the past, yeah. I'm here to tell you that it won't last. Your mind's gonna really get past all the things that keep you feeling bad. Pick yourself up and probably won't go, yeah. Broken dreams and these hopeless dreams, how it's supposed to be. All these broken dreams and these hopeless dreams, how it's supposed to be.
Halo, wah, geser sedikit, Pak. Lewat enggak apa dong, tapi jangan tegak. Oh, main akar rumput aja lah. Satu second, main ya. Iya.
Main lagi, coy gua.
Macam nak band. Main kasih lah. Nak band.
Peralunya tuh kalau kamera peralunya tuh yang aneh-aneh ini. Ya. Itu enggak ya. Nah, ya peralu tuh. Yang punya cuma diam dukun. Yang lainnya ini dukun.
Oh, itu baru enak. Ekornya sedap. Berhenti dia. Iya kan. Mau dia masuk. Punya Bang berapa poin? Berapa poin apa tadi? Surat ya. Enggak ada belum kerja dong. Itu bisa masuk ya Bang? Hah? Tadi ada merah. Tadi yang ya cuma flag dia Bang. Ya, 700. Bisa masuk. Turunnya kurang pula. Dia kalau turun iya. Diam. Oh, ini banyak lawan. Ini bagus. Kayak sini baru enak nih main dia. Ketemu lawan dia. Merah banget berapa? Merahnya udah 4. Yang pertama yang enak. Pertama ya. Berapa tadi yang pertama? 9.30. 4. Jadi kaget dia bangun dia. Hah? Bangun. Tapi kalau ada yang jalan selesai. Soalnya untung nggak ada yang jalan. Ada tadi yang ada putih aku dia pengirannya di bawah banyak nak main tentang barang